Good afternoon, children. Welcome to the second part of 15th chapter. I will continue from page 87 from here. It is convention to call the charge acquired by a glass rod when it is rubbed with a silk as a positive. Acquired means to tell. The other kind of charges, see, we know that if one charge is positive, then other will be negative. It is observed that when a charged glass rod is brought near a charged plastic straw rubbed with polythene, there is attraction between the two. Why attraction between the two? Because they both are rubbed with different material. Okay. It is observed, then again I will repeat. It is observed that when a charged glass rod is brought near a charged plastic straw rubbed with polythene, there is attraction between the two. What do you think would be the kind of charge on a plastic straw? Your guess that the plastic straw would carry a negative charge is correct. Why? Again, if one is positive, other will be negative. Now, the electrical charges generated by rubbing are static. Static means they do not move. They do not move by themselves. Static means, okay. When charges move, they constitute an electric current. जब भी charges move होते हैं, तो वो क्या produce करता है? Electric current. You have been reading about electric current since class 6. The current in a circuit which makes a bulb glow or the current that makes a wire hot is nothing but a motion of charges. चार्जेस जो फ्लो होते रहते हैं वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? वो करंट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. नाउ ट्रांसफर ऑफ चार्जेस. सी दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट, पे अटेंशन. आई फर्स्ट रीड एक्टिविटी. Activity 15.4. Take an empty jam bottle. Take a piece of cardboard slightly bigger than the size of the mouth of string. ऐसी जार बॉटल लेनी है, ऊपर कार्डबोर्ड लेना है, एक जैसे के पिन है, उसको ऐसे शी शेप में टर्न करके अंदर प्लेस करना है. ओके. Open out the paper clip as shown in figure 15.4. Cut 2 strips of aluminum foil about 4 cm into 1 cm each. Hang them on the paper strip as shown. Insert the paper clip in the cardboard lid so that it's perpendicular to it. See, aluminum foil जो हम यूज करते हैं खाना जो गरम रखते हैं उसके लिए, तो उसकी ऐसी 2 पतली स्ट्रिप्स बनानी है. ओके. चार्ज अ रिफिल एंड टच विद द एंड ऑफ द पेपर क्लिप. ये जो रिफिल है उसको चार्ज करना है और पेपर क्लिप के एंड में रखना है. अगर रिफिल का और ये जो मेटेलिक ऑब्जेक्ट है उसका सेम चार्ज रहेगा तो ये दोनों एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल्स रिपेल होगी, और दोनों अगर डिफरेंट चार्ज है तो वो अट्रैक्ट होगी. चार्ज अ रिफिल एंड टच इट विद द एंड ऑफ द पेपर क्लिप. ऑब्जर्व व्हाट हैपेंस. इज देयर एनी इफेक्ट ऑन द फॉइल स्ट्रिप? डू दे रिपेल ईच अदर और अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर? नाउ टच other charged bodies with the end of the paper clip. Do foil strips behave in the same way in all the cases? मतलब ये जो हमने रिफिल ली है वैसे हम डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी ले सकते हैं. कैन यू एक्सप्लेन व्हाई द फॉइल स्ट्रिप रिपेल ईच अदर? नाउ द एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल स्ट्रिप्स रिसीव द सेम चार्ज फ्रॉम द चार्ज रिफिल थ्रू द पेपर क्लिप. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था, मेटल जो होता है वो गुड कंडक्टर है, तो वो करंट पास करने देता है. The aluminum foil strips receive the same charge from the charge refill through the paper clip. Remember that metals are good conductor of electricity. The strips carrying similar charges repel each other and they become wide open, broad हो जाता है. Such a device can be used to test whether an object is carrying charge or not. This device is called electroscope. See, I have this reference book. You can see here picture more clearly. See, charges प्रोड्यूस हुए हैं. ये देखो, ये पॉजिटिव चार्जेस हैं, यहाँ पे भी पॉजिटिव चार्जेस है दोनों में, इसीलिए वो रिपेल होता है. कैन यू सी दिस? सी प्रॉपरली. ऐसे ये इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप है. सच अ डिवाइस इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप. थर्स वी फाइंड दैट इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्जेस कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम अ चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट टू अनदर थ्रू अ मेटल कंडक्टर. अगर वो मेटेलिक कंडक्टर है तो वो उसके चार्जेस पास होंगे. टच द एंड ऑफ पेपर क्लिप जेंटली विथ हैंड एंड यू विल फाइंड अ चेंज इन द फॉइल स्ट्रिप. They can come back to their original state. Repeat charging of foil strips and touch the paper clip. बार बार आप foil strip का चार्जिंग करके पेपर क्लिप को टच करो. Every time you will find that the foil strips collapse as soon as you touch the paper clip with hand. क्यों collapse हो जाता है? मतलब उसके चार्जेस collapse क्यों हो जाता है? Destroy. Collapse मतलब destroy. क्यों हो जाता है? क्योंकि हमारे हैंड्स के जो चार्ज है वो पेपर क्लिप के चार्ज से डिफरेंट है, इसलिए. Why does this happen? Why does this happen? The reason is that the foil strips lose charge to the earth through your body. We say that the foil strips are discharged क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी में से करंट जो होता है, चार्जेस जो होते हैं वो अर्थ में चले जाते हैं. सॉरी. The process of transferring of charge from a charge object to the earth is called earthing. उसको क्या कहा गया है? Earthing. The process of transferring a charge from a charge object to the earth is earthing. Earth. I am reading this orange box. Earthing is provided in building to protect us from electrical. Building में हर एक बिल्डिंग में earthing होगा ताकि हमारी बिल्डिंग इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक से बच सके. Electric shocks due to the leakage of any electrical current. Okay. Now the story of lightning. 15.5. It is now possible to explain lightning in terms of charges produced by rubbing. अभी आपने देखा कि चार्जेस कैसे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, तो ये आप इजीली समझ सकते हो. You learnt in class 7 that during the development of a thunderstorm, the air currents move upward while the water droplets move downward. These vigorous movements cause separation of charges. By a process not yet completely understood, the positive charges collect near the upper edge of the cloud and the negative charges lower edges of cloud. देखो ये पिक्चर में भी दिखा है. ये एग्जैक्टली प्रूवन नहीं है लेकिन ऑलमोस्ट ऐसा होता है. These are positive charges, these are negative charges, and middle is both are positive charges and middle is negative charges. यहाँ पे चार्जेस जब जमा होते हैं क्लाउड्स में अक्यूमुलेट होते हैं. अक्यूमुलेट मतलब टुगेदर जमा होना. ओके, अगेन आई रीड. You learnt in class 7 that during the development of a thunderstorm, the air current move upward while the water droplets move downward. These vigorous movement causes separation of charges. Vigorous मतलब जो बहुत ही फास्ट मूव करते, बहुत ही फास्ट एक दूसरे को क्लैश करते हैं. By a process not yet completely understood, the positive charges collect near the upper edge of the clouds and the negative charges accumulate near the lower edges. There is accumulation of positive charges near the ground also. When the magnitude of the accumulated charges, magnitude is what? Strength. Become very large. जब उसकी strength बहुत बढ़ जाती है, जब cloud वो bear नहीं कर सकते, The air which is normally a poor conductor of electricity is no longer able to resist the flow. बहुत भर जाता है तो हमको पता है कोई भी चीज ओवर हो जाती है तो वो ब्लास्ट हो जाती है. ओके, सो नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव चार्जेस मीट प्रोड्यूसिंग स्ट्रीक्स ऑफ ब्राइट लाइट. नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव चार्जेस जब एक दूसरे को रब होते हैं तो इसको क्या, ये जो होता है इसको स्ट्रीक्स ऑफ ब्राइट लाइट कहा गया है. There is accumulation of positive charges and negative charges, which is charges meet producing streaks of bright light and sound. We see strikes as lightning. The process is called electric discharge. Okay, हमको पता है कि ये जो दिख रहा है that is lightning. We call it as lightning. Actually is what? Electrical discharge from the cloud. See, I have this reference book. I will explain you in detail from this. See, you have already studied that there are two kinds of electric charges, positive and negative. When two clouds with unlike charges come very close to each other, the charges flow with high speed from one cloud to another through air between them. A huge spark मतलब जो हमको दिखता है स्काई में, a huge spark between the cloud is thus produced. This spark is called lightning. See, in picture you can see. Okay. The sparking discharge from one cloud to the other lasts for very short period of time, but it releases a tremendous means बहुत सारा amount of heat and light. Layer of air gets rapidly heated up due to the heat produced at the time of lightning. ये तो हमको पता ही है कि heat बहुत ही produce होगी. Rapidly means very fast and expand suddenly. This rapid expansion of air send a disturbance produce as sound and heard as thunderstorm. Okay. Now in our book, I'll read from here, page number 189 here. The process of electric discharge can occur between two or more clouds or between clouds on the earth. Today we need not get frightened by lightning as our ancestors did, क्योंकि हमको पता है कि exactly lightning क्या है और उसके safety features भी हमको पता है. लेकिन पहले के जमाने में जब इसका इन्वेंशन नहीं हुआ था, एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज दिस, तो एंसेस्टर्स थे वो लोग घबराते थे ये लाइटनिंग और थंडर्स से. नाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक फिनोमेनन. साइंटिस्ट आर ट्राइंग हार्ड टू इम्प्रूव दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग. However, lightning strike can destroy life and property. It is therefore necessary to take measures to protect ourselves. Lightning safety. During lightning and thunderstorm, no open place is safe. वो तो हमको पता है. Hearing thunder is an alert to rush to the safer place. आपको safer place में चला जाने का. After hearing the last thunder, wait for some time before coming out of the same place. Finding a same place. A house or a building is a safe place. If you are traveling by car or bus, you are safe inside with windows and closed doors with shut vehicle. Now do's and don'ts during a thunderstorm. Outside क्या होता है? Open vehicle like motorbikes, tractors, construction machinery, open cars are not safe. Open field, tall trees, shelters in parks, elevated places do not protect us from lightning strokes. Carrying an umbrella is not at all good idea during thunderstorm. If in a forest, take shelter under shorter trees. If no shelter is available and you are in open field, stay far away from the trees, stay away from the poles or other metallic object, क्योंकि वो गुड कंडक्टर होते हैं तो वो करंट पास तुरंत हो जाता है उसमें. Do not lie on the ground. Instead squat low on the ground. Squat low मतलब ये पोजीशन में बैठो. ओके, इसको squat low बोलते हैं. Place your hands on your knees with your head between the hands. This position will make you the smallest target to be struck. Okay children, so here I will end of this second part of chapter. Rest I will continue in next part. Thank you.